Hello everyone and welcome to my art table. I'm doing something a little different in this. It's a quick unboxing, sort of, pseudo unboxing. It's obviously out of its shipping container, but I just got this set. It's the Liquitex Basics. It's 48 tubes and they're just small tubes, but I'm so excited that I've got it. It is amazing. I mean, look at all of these colors. And I did use one the other day. All the greens and yellows, every blue, all the blues, purples, all these colors. And then the super cool thing is down here, there's a bunch of metallics too, and white and black and some other colors, purples and things. But the beautiful thing about this is if you're just starting out painting, get something like this. This was, I think I bought it from Blick, and it was more expensive. I think it was like 45 bucks, something like that. And I've been eyeing it for a while, even though I've got a ton of paints. I really don't know that I needed it, but I wanted it, and I really wanted some of these colors just to test and try out. You may think, you know, you won't use half those colors, but you'll be surprised once you start painting. And if you have the colors, what you do start putting in your paintings, and that is what makes it so much more rich and gives it depth and more sophistication than if you just have one or two colors to use. Those are great, those kind of paintings. But I'm just saying, if you have a few different shades that you can use because you've got it, instead of adding a lot of color to your painting, but you stay in the same basic tonal range, it really enriches the painting and adds a lot of depth. And like I said, some of these colors I don't have large tubes of, so it's nice to just try something and play with it. Like, I don't do a lot of orange and red and things like that normally, but I do find myself now and then wanting to add a pop of color, and if I don't have that, then this is just really nice to use for that. So I just wanted to go over that real quick. It's I do have a link in my products that I use. It's an affiliate link for some Amazon stuff, and if you want to shop there and get it, I think it's quite a bit of a savings with that link. But anyways, just wanted to cover that and show you, and I'm going to be using some of these colors in tutorials so you can see how they're used and how they go together and things like that. Okay, that's it.